Hi, my name is Natalia Willette, and I'm a real estate attorney here in the state of Florida. And today I want to continue episode 2 of rental property investing. So, in the last episode, I talked about the benefits of rental property investing, and today I'm going to talk about 4 challenges that you will see when you have rental properties. The number one challenge is that it is quite time consuming, and if you are an A-type personality, you're gonna have to learn to delegate tasks to other people. If you want to make this truly an investment, you have to run it like a business. You have to hire people to go and collect the rents. You have to hire a bookkeeper. You have to make sure that you're not the only person doing things, because you don't want to be woken up at 2 a.m. having to fix a toilet. Number 2, you're gonna have to deal with difficult tenants. You'll face tenants that don't want to pay rent. You'll face tenants that make endless lists of complaints to repair what you think are de minimis items. And you will also face tenants that refuse to leave the premises at the end of the lease or after they've refused to pay rent, incurring litigation. You're also going to see tenants that are going to face and create challenges regarding their security deposits. Number 3, you are also going to face challenges with difficult contractors. And by contractors, I mean both the people that you've hired to manage your rentals, if you've gotten to the point where you use a rental management company, as well as contractors. Contractors are the people that you hire to go repair a particular plumbing issue, electrical issue, something which you are obliged to repair for your tenants under your lease and under the Florida statutes. If they're late, if they have a horrible attitude, I mean, a number of things can create a tenancy dispute with your tenant that you didn't have. It was a perfectly happy tenant before, and then they could be a perfectly angry tenant after having a very bad communication episode with a contractor. So to prevent those issues, you have to do your due diligence when finding the right contractors, due diligence when finding the right management company, and it might mean that you have to use different number of them over the years until you find the right fit. And then number 4, you need to make sure that you're engaging in good bookkeeping and good record keeping practices. Each rental property is going to have a set of leases, other types of contracts, receipts for repairs, receipts for rental income. You need to have a spreadsheet of what's come in, what's gone out. Is there a late fee involved in this and not a late fee? When was the rent received? Was the rent received timely? You need to keep track of all of those things. And so that kind of goes back to making sure that you've hired the right people, making sure that you delegated it appropriately, and making sure that you have a system in place to keep track of all of those things. That is the way that you prepare yourself for those 4 main challenges in having rental properties. Good luck out there, investors.